A sequence of numbers is defined by d sub 0 equals 0, d sub 1 equals 0, d sub 2 equals 1, and d sub n equals d sub n minus 1 plus d sub n minus 3 for n greater than or equal to 3. What are the parities, evenness, or oddness of the triple of numbers d sub 2021, d sub 2022, d sub 2023, where E denotes even and O denotes odd? We first can list out several terms in the sequence to see if we notice a pattern. We have d sub 0 is equal to 0, d sub 1 equals 0, and d sub 2 equals 1 as given by the problem statement. Then we can perform this recursion to give us d sub 3 equals 1 plus 0, which is 1. D sub 4 equals 1 plus 0, which is 1 again. D sub 5 equals 1 plus 1, which is 2. D sub 6 equals 2 plus 1, which is 3. And then we can continue on for a few more terms to give us d sub 7 is 3 plus 1, which is 4. D sub 8 is 4 plus 2, which is 6. D sub 9 is 6 plus 3, which is 9. And d sub 10 is 9 plus 4, which is 13, and so on. Let's first take a look at the parities of these terms that we have written down. This is even, even, odd, 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 even, odd, even, even, odd, odd. We start to notice that there seems to be a pattern for every 7 terms, d sub 0 to d sub 6, and so on. And we notice that this is very valid because to get the parity of d sub n, we only need the parities of the term before and the term 3 terms before it. So that means after the first 3 terms are established, everything afterwards will be established. So it is very valid for us to take a look at this even, even, odd configuration, as well as this one, and realize the sequence will be repeating in parity every 7 terms. So that means if we want to find the parity of d sub 2021, that is just going to be the same parity as a number that is 2021 mod 7. Well, that is just equal to 5 in this case. So d sub 2021 is equal to d sub 5. That means d sub 2022 is equal to d sub 6, and d sub 2023 is equal to d sub 7. Okay, so that means we just need the parities of d sub 5, d sub 6, and d sub 7. Well, d sub 5 is going to be even. D sub 6 is going to be odd, and d sub 7 is going to be even. Okay, then that means even, odd, even is going to be our ordered triple. So that'll just be E, O, E. And that happens to be answer choice C.